Hey y'all, today it is Hot Slaw. I'm Miss Katie with heritageways.com. Welcome to Project 54, episode 22, where we're making hot slaw. This can go with all kinds of dishes. And I'm so glad that you are here with me today in my kitchen here at Heritage House. Let's get started. Hot slaw is on the menu for today, so let's get started putting it together. It's not difficult. You can cheat a little bit. Look, I'm a busy lady just like many and most of y'all are busy as well. So for this recipe, I chose to buy the slaw mix at Aldi. And I just noticed this note and I want to give you a little, trivia or tip or so it says it does not contain romaine. I knew somebody one time who was highly allergic to romaine lettuce, so that might be why it says it does not contain romaine. So if you ever see that, now you know. Well, we're going to mix up the sauce for it. It is not a mayonnaise base. It's a hot slaw. It's not a cold slaw. It's not a freezer slaw. This is something you can serve with almost any kind of meat and three meal, a meatloaf or ribs, chicken even. So let's come in and make the sauce, and I hope that you will take notes and write the recipe down as we go. Okay, now I am going to make this for to serve 4 to 6 people, about 5 or so people. My original recipe is actually double this, so feel free to double or multiply this recipe any way you see fit. Like I said, I bought the packaged coleslaw mix. Of course, you can chop the cabbage and carrots yourself. I also bought red and orange peppers that I actually forgot to cut. So let me interrupt myself for just a minute and cut the peppers. It's time to hone our hospitality skills with a table tip. If food is passed at the table, pass to the right, turning the handle of the dish toward the person receiving it. All right, now we're ready. Let's go ahead and mix half a cup of cane sugar. Use whatever sugar makes you comfortable using. I use a half a cup of apple cider vinegar with the mother. That's not unhealthy stuff floating in there. That is good, healthy with the mother vinegar. Good, healthy for you. Just a pinch, 2 pinches of salt. Now on the cayenne, I do about a tablespoon, but actually my people do not like very hot, so I'm doing a teaspoon, but the recipe would be a tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, and I estimate, but y'all can measure if you're more comfortable doing that. It is hot slaw after all. And then also add some black pepper, a few turns of that. It's a good combination of sweet and hot, I'll tell you. Okay, then we need a half a cup to a cup of ketchup. I'm going to start with a half a cup. And I know that sounds like a big difference, but okay, some people might like it more, less sauce, more vegetables and less sauce. So anywhere from a half a cup to a cup. I'll probably go back and add a little bit more ketchup. So that's our sugar, our vinegar, our salt and pepper, our cayenne. And let me get this little whisk. This is a cute little whisk. Nice to use from Pampered Chef. Now also, I add, when I'm using the sweet pickles that I'm using today, which are my mother-in-law's that she makes, the lime pickles, I add a little bit of that juice. just because it's so good. It's going to make it sweeter, so you might need to compensate with a little more heat. Cayenne if you want. We're going to have this today with barbecue ribs. I've got a half of a pepper. Now you can use whatever color bell pepper you want. Green, orange, red, yellow. I like the red and the orange. And the reason I'm spooning them out is there's a lot of liquid seems to be off of these peppers. It's a good slaw to have in the summertime. This is good for picnics, potlucks. Alright, and then I've got about 4 tablespoons of chopped up sweet pickle. And those are lime pickles. I've got a half an onion or a small, half of a large Vidalia actually, or you can do a small. I love Vidalia. It's a great time of year. You can get Vidalias from about April to August or so, shipped around nationwide and in Canada. Vidalias are only grown in about 20 counties in Georgia, and it's actually the state vegetable of Georgia. Gonna add my package of coleslaw mix. This is still gonna make a lot of coleslaw. Not coleslaw, I'm sorry. It's gonna make a lot of hot slaw. And then, eat the rainbow as they say. So I'm gonna add, that's probably 1.5 cups to 2 cups of chopped organic red cabbage. Mix it all up. Now this is going to be better after it sits in the fridge and marries for a little bit. Also, I want to tell you this package was a 14-ounce package. And also, now it makes, I like to pick out the big pieces. It makes, you can chop them up, put them back in if you want. I think the ratios are fine. If you want it with more sauce or dressing, as you if you will, then add it. But that is your hot slaw. Crisp, sweet, hot, perfect with grilled foods, corn on the cob. Y'all have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow with another classic summer side.